Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Blackview A200 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do it, open Settings application, choose SIM cards and traffic management, and there we tap on our data usage. Now we choose data warming and limit, and there we can set it. First step, we can set when our site starts, maybe first day of each month. There by switch on we can turn on turn off data warming, and we can set it in custom number, maybe in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. And there last step, we can turn out our data limits, confirm by OK, and in the same style we can set it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.